The best thing about my job is that I get to know many patients, many people, and that I get to help them. I get to change their lives, so that's something that is a big reward for me. My name is Rolando Salazar. I work at San Antonio OMS maxillofacial surgery associates, and I'm an oral surgeon. It started because as a teenager I had an impacted tooth, so I had to visit the oral surgeon to expose and bond a bracket on my canine. So that pretty much inspired me and touched my life, and I decided to become a dentist and then an oral surgeon. I was born in Monterrey, Mexico. I went to dental school there. Then I went to Puerto Rico for 5 years. That's where I trained as an oral maxillofacial surgeon. Then I moved back to Monterrey, and then I practiced there for 5 years. And then I moved into Loredo, Texas, and practiced there for 15 years. And I joined this practice last year, so it's been a little over a year. When I meet a patient for the first time, first of all, I introduce myself. I try to gain the patient's confidence by explaining the treatment and let him know that I'm there to help him. Well, a smile can do for a person it's basically the way you introduce to other people, so you can show how happy and how confident you are. So a big smile, it's something that is very important. When I'm not working, I usually try to exercise as much as I can. One of my hobbies is tennis, so I try to play maybe 2-3 times a week, and also I like to jog and run. Any other free time that I have, I like to spend it with my family. I have a beautiful wife and 2 sons, and I have a Weimaraner dog, so we try to, take trips as often as we can.